Hello racers, my name is JC from Soku Racing, and today we are going to be doing replacement of headlight bulbs in this 428i F32. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to turn the wheel to the left or right, whichever lah. Okay, then switch off the engine. The bulb the F32 is using are D1Ss. Okay, so with the wheel turn, you can access the plastic cover from in front of the wheel. Okay, after that it's just a very simple casing which you turn like so, and there you can see the stock D1S bulb. Sorry, before we continue, I'll show you the color of the stock D1S bulb. Okay, this is the stock color. Just give it a second. See, it's yellow. Okay, so we'll be changing to a 8000K HID D1S. Okay, so 人家做么 unplug socket 啦。So he is unplugging a socket to the stock bulbs here, and these are the aftermarket bulbs. You can buy this from us at 150 ringgit per pair. Comes with 3 months warranty. Okay, we'll keep this in the styrofoam for safety. Oh my god, shit, talk about safety. It's a little trickier if you have an aftermarket rim. This is very big, so the clearance is very small. Okay, and here you go. This is a stock D1S. It's exactly the same as the aftermarket one. It's plug and play. Okay, everything is plug and play. So stock one is out and the aftermarket one is going in. Again, you can buy this from us at 150 ringgit per pair. You can contact us through WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or our website, so www.sokuracing.com. 你是转出来的哈，转出来的哈，okay, and he's twisting the bulbs back in. Little tricky because of the clearance, but other than that, nothing much to worry about. Okay, while he is doing a job, I'll show you around this car. It's a 428 with a converted M4 body kit. Very nice. Okay. Semua 卡到 bracket 啊，走不进。OK。Okay, and socket is back in. Okay, socket is in already. As you can see here, the difficulty was from twisting of the bulb because of the clearance. So Everything is plugged in now, and we'll go ahead and start the car. Ayah. The light is appearing to be a little blue from the camera, but in reality this is white because it's 8000K. It has a little blue in it compared to the stock yellow. Okay, this is the stock color, and this is the aftermarket white. So this is how you can DIY and change your own bulb on your BMW 4 Series. And to do it on the other side, you simply cap this one back in, and then capping this plastic back in before turning to the other side and doing the same thing. Stock color, aftermarket color, from yellow to white. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can feel free to drop them down in the comment below. See you.